friends, welcome back. It's my pleasure having you here. Today I will share delicious stir-fry tomato button mushroom recipe. Hope you like it. This tomato and mushroom dish is sour and very appetizing. Remember to cook more rice. The lycopene and vitamin C contained in tomatoes can be antioxidant, help resist ultraviolet rays, promote the synthesis of subcutaneous collagen, and achieve beauty and whitening effects. Follow my channel and save this recipes now so you can refer this recipe anytime you like in the future. Button mushrooms. Tomato. Onion. Button mushroom removed from can and sliced. Peel and sliced onion. Wash and cut tomato into small pieces. Stir-fry onion until translucent. Add button mushroom and stir-fry. Add tomato, stir-fry until release red oil. Seasoning: 1 tablespoon tomato sauce, 1 teaspoon salt, 1 teaspoon oyster sauce, 1 teaspoon sugar.
Stir fry.
Lastly, sprinkle grind black pepper and stir fry. Plate tomato button mushrooms. Let's eat. Hope you like my recipe sharing. Do share out this delicious recipe with friends and family, yeah. I like easy recipe because I believe that delicious food must be simple and quick to prepare. After all, there are so many things going on every day, right? There are 3,000 of delicious recipes on my YouTube. Check it out for more delicious recipes, yeah. I will upload bilingual video recipes every day. Chinese video will be uploaded at noon while English version at 8:30 p.m. Welcome to follow and save recipes you like. Remember to follow my channel so you will be able to find me when you need cooking inspiration. I'll upload new recipe every day. See you tomorrow, yeah.